Final Fantasy. That's right, people. I'm about to play Final Fantasy, my first ever Let's Play. Or not really, I don't know Let's Play. I don't know how to play Let's Plays. But this is a Super Nintendo. I got it for Christmas. So let's just skip this. Let's go. Long ago, the War of Maggie reduced to the war to a scorched wasteland, and magic simply ceased to exist. 100 years have passed. Iron, gunpowder, and steam engines have been rediscovered in high technology regions. Oh wow. There's so many little people. But there are some who would enslave the world by reviving the dread, destructive force known as magic. What? Oh wait, is everything backwards? Oh my god! Everything is backwards. Okay, can I skip this? No, this is a cutscene, I guess. Cutscenes actually help us. Can it be that those in power are on the verge of repeating a senseless and deadly mistake? What? Yeah, I see faces on the cliff. Okay, what's happening? Oh. Okay. These are boys. There's a town. I don't know what I'm doing. Vix. So his name is Vix? Hard to believe. Oh wait, that's Wedge. Hard to believe an Esma's been found and intact there 1,000 years after the War of Maggie. Maggie, I don't know how to say it. Think it's still alive? Probably, judging from the urgency and the priorities. Why is this Wedge and Vix? I don't know. Vix Wedge? I don't know. This is part 1. And this woman, this sorcerer, why is she here? Yay! I had to find 50 of my magic take 100,000 in another 30 minutes. Not to worry, the slave thrown in her head robs her of all conscious thoughts. She will follow orders. Okay. So am I the girl? I don't know what's happening. Will approach from the east. Move out! Okay, what is happening? Crown on her head. So I'm guessing I'm the girl? What? It says this game will be 2-player, but I don't really know how. Okay. Can we skip this? Yes, we can. Okay. Oh, wow. Let's put her on point. No sense of taking any risks. Forward! Oh, I'm the girl. Okay, what? Wait, what? The Esma's gotta be in there. Move out. Okay, so I gotta go in. Oh, I am controlling the girl. Okay, so I totally called it. So here. Oh, say what? Machine writing. Self-in portraits one. Take this. Oh, little puppy. Aww. Wow. Oh, that is no puppy. Magic. Ow. Just spam. I don't even know what's happening. Ah. What? Oh, yay! So I'm guessing I'm totally this. Okay, yay! Got 30 GP. What is GP? Okay, can we go now? So what's over here? Fire machines. Oh, there's a house. Can we go to that house? Ah, I'm stuck. Okay, so we can't go that way. Can we go to this house though? No, we cannot. Because we have to go over here. Oh, wow. Emperor Magic armor. Not even Narshi's safe anymore. What is happening? There's barely any. Okay, come on. Yes, we're so strong. Ice beam. You're dead. I'm a bad singer. Vix gained a level. Yay! Congratulations, Wedge. Vix, whatever. Whatever. So let me try to find stuff out. Wow. Oh, is that me? Oh, that's me! That's Wedge and Vix. Ooh. Look at me. Ah! B. Wait, B. Oh my gosh, look at me. Wowie. Look at me. Was that the crown that is making me brainwashed or something right there? I don't know. Seems pretty cool though. Sorry if it's a bit blurry, guys. It's my first ever Let's Play. I don't know anything. Okay, what's happening? Okay, so this is me, the one that I'm playing as. Okay, yes, I'm so beautiful. Okay, sorry. Wedge and Vix look really cool. But, no, she's freedom depend on us. No, they don't. We just want to look around. Okay. Spam, 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 spam. And now, okay, we're good. Yeah! We. No. Spam, 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 spam it! I don't even know what I'm doing. What am I doing? Go! Okay, perfect. Heal Force, this dude. Heal Force. Oh, yay! Oh, wow. Everybody gained a level. Okay. So, can I go over here? Water. I cannot go over here. Why not? Oh, this is the last part. Okay. Okay, what's over here then? Okay, so I can't. Okay, I can't go there. We've got him! We've got him trapped now. Ah! I'll say what? Go. Ow! Gotta heal everybody. So I gotta heal me. Heal Force. No, I don't have no items. Heal Force. Her. Ah! Heal Force. Ow! Fire beam. Fire beam. We will get you back! No! Too strong. Why is that dog even still attacking us? We're too strong. I love how we're dancing. It's so cute.